repair, or credit sweep? What actually works? Everybody online has that magic dispute letter formula template, but they're not breaking it down and showing exactly what you need to know to permanently remove the negative items. Credit scores impact every part of our lives, from loans to insurance premiums, literally everything in between. And inaccuracies and errors can really hurt you. I'm going to give you one example, and I'm going to show you what to look for first. This can look simple. You don't even know what you're looking at. This is an example of a purposeful omission that hurts you. In this example, we have Capital One and Barclays. They're notorious for omitting the limit and reporting the limit as the high balance. You might want to look at your Capital One or Barclays accounts on your credit report, and you'll see what I'm talking about. There is no limit. In the comments, it'll say limit is high balance. But wait a second, my limit's 2,500, but my high balance is only 200. So what you're really saying is that my limit is $200, but it's not. That's an error. That purposeful omission is really hurting you. Why am I saying that? Because now your credit score is only taking into account a $200 limit versus a $2,500 limit. The comment states limit is the high balance, or there's no limit reported, just the high balance. Again, this is a purposeful omission and an error. It's literally just no data available in the limit. Why is this done? It's on purpose. Capital One and Barclays do not report accurately in an attempt to keep the consumer in the subprime market. They want you with those lower credit scores. They want you with the 500s and the 550s and the 600s so that they can charge you a higher interest rate. You have to understand who you are dealing with. They are in the data business, the bureaus. They obtain, maintain, and sell your information. The creditors are in the business of buying your information and charging you higher interest rates. That's just the name of the game. So what to do? If you're seeing this, where there's the limit is a high balance or there's no limit reported, just a high balance, you need to dispute it. That is an error that is really going to hurt you. And you need to know the dispute period. The date last paid, first day of delinquency, notice of dispute, date last reported, payment history inaccuracies, the second date of delinquency, notice of dispute entry date, the level 1 dispute. You need to know what to do with the information on your credit report, how to use the dispute pyramid, as well as the dispute reasons, and the blatant inaccuracies, the big bang, the violation bingo, evolution line, to remove them permanently. You can learn all of this on my channel. I've got 2,000 videos that go back 10 years. You guys have really been just, I don't know, sleeping on my channel or something? I don't know. Maybe you want to play template DJ like everybody else is. But I'm not here to do that. I'm here to show you the way out, and this is the way. If you want to go from using these little Capital One cards to getting your 200 to 500,000 or $1 million mortgages and your high-end vehicles and personal loans and all that kind of stuff, then you need to pay attention, because this is exactly where you are going to learn it. First of all, you need to smash that like, subscribe if you haven't done, and go check out the videos on my channel. And as a side note here, if you do want to credit, my740.com. I'll see if I can help.